I'm Lemma.
And I'm G. And we're MANUIA.
MANUIA comes from my last name, Fitise Manu. Fitise Manuia is an old proverb in Samoa, which means, may a blessing fall your way. And so we named our foundation MANUIA because of that. We want a blessing to fall into every family's way. I think we've always enjoyed learning and being familiar with the higher education process. And so we've dedicated our lives to learn those things and to be able to bring that to our community.
To go along with that is our family mission statement, where we prioritize three things, and that is faith, family, and education.
The MANUIA Foundation mission is to strengthen families
by helping youth reach their potential.
Yeah, I think it's important to understand that everyone has a potential, and that if you apply yourself and you have the good work ethic to work towards things and set goals, you'll be able to achieve things you never dreamt was possible. Pacific Pathways is a student-led program of the MANUIA Foundation. It builds on a legacy of impact, so we're trying to make an impact in our communities. So we are going to New Zealand.
I think our time in New Zealand is going to be very well spent. And what I mean by that is we're trying to develop an itinerary of meeting with universities, going and visiting elementary schools, doing firesides, offering workshops, all in an effort to build this global community of resources. We will be in Aotearoa July 20th through July 31st. That's 10 full days of connection, of storytelling, of sharing and learning. So please register in the link below. Invite your friends and family if they're local. The activities are all free. And if you want to share it on your social media, we appreciate you helping us get the word out.